In the village here were local lorry owners, and they used to be driving milk from around the farms to the United Dairies in Whitland, which is approximately 15 mile away. And they also had a sideline which used to, the feed and stuff used to come into the Johnson station, and at the end of the station was the farmers' co-op, and they had the job of emptying the trucks with the bags and driving up to the co-op, reversing back and unloading with a truck, with a sack truck. And the gentleman with the lorry used to like a glass of beer, so he used to go up to the local public house and leave me with the lorry. So I used to reverse the lorry then down through the station yard, which was a awkward job sometimes, because the Admiralty were unloading what they call mines and sinkers to deliver to the armament depot at Milford Haven. But I used to manage it all right, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. But most of the tractors that I worked on were powered with what they call TBO, which is a mixture of paraffin and oil. Well, there's an internal combustion engine. There's a magneto causing a spark which fired the fuel, and that drove the engine. Well, it's the same principle now. It's much more refined. I started work at 15 in a garage which is 3.5 miles from my home, and I was there for 5 years, and then my boss retired, so I left there then, and I'd done some work for him which was outstanding in the country, and then I went to work for a local man which had started a garage, and then I went back then to the new people that had bought the business from my first employer, and I didn't like it with him. I didn't like it at all. And then I branched out on my own, and I was travelling around the farms, repairing old farm machinery, tractors, combines, you name it, I was repairing it. So that's what I done all the rest of my life.